You know what's better than a whole pizza to yourself? Blender's geometry nodes. So, you see this noodle soup, these are geometry nodes and these colorful strings are noodles. They pass information around sockets like they're playing a game of telephone. Look at this node. It's got inputs, outputs, and it's doing some serious data gymnastics. Oh wait, the sockets are of three types: circular, diamond, and diamond with a dot. Circular sockets work on single point data. Imagine I give you a number 1, I can add it with 2 to get 3. Imagine I give you a vector 1, 2, 3. I add 0, 1, 0 to make it 1, 3, 3. Diamond sockets work with fields. Fields? Imagine you grow a sapling everywhere. After a few years, you end up getting a tree. Some might be big, some might be small. That's a field. If you look up our fields on Google, this is the definition you would get. It's not that complicated. Let's get back to the field. We have small trees and big trees. If I were to associate a height to every single tree, that's a field. They carry values and instructions at every single point. Take the field, and if I were to associate a number to every single point, that's exactly a field here in Blender. Fields are like invisible hands moving around stuff. It cannot just be a single number, it can be a wide range of parameters like the temperature of the tree, the amount of leaves it has, and etc. In maths, this can be represented as a vector. So looking back, a field has points, which every point representing a vector. Diamond with a dot is when you can work on a field, but only when working on a single value. We'll work with various types of field in Blender in the next episode.